Welcome back to KyeStudio's new Microbit Smart Home Products channel. Today, we'll be exploring Project 3.46, Earthquake Warning. Let's open the downloaded tutorial file as before to find the course code. Next, open the browser and search for the Microbit web page. Click to go to the official website and find MakeCode Editor and click to enter it. Drag the code into MakeCode to view and analyze it. Connect to the development board via USB. Upload the code. When the Microbit S accelerometer detects that the house is tilting, the onboard speaker will emit an alert sound. The LCD screen will display the sensor's readings, and the RGB LED will light up red. Follow us for more fun coding adventures like this.